I've always been in hell all this time and never knew how to take my soul back. So would you tell me? Can you tell me? Would you still hold my hand if I told you that I've always been wrong? Because I have to say I'm tired of being someone that I am not. I'm tired of being a human when my heart is made of stone. I'm tired of being a worm when I know that my soul is freaking cold. I feel like I spend my whole life waiting for someone to care, waiting for somebody to be there, waiting for somebody to take my hand, waiting for those eyes to be mine, waiting for two spirits to collide, waiting for you, waiting for me, waiting for a love who never died. Because my soul is broken and maybe somehow you could repair. We got the pieces together, but I don't know if you would stay. I'm not trying to sympathize, I'm hoping for the first time, because I know we don't have a whole life, so it should be now, cause time flies. I'm not trying to make you love me more than I deserve. No, I'm not. I'm just trying to make you understand the whole world I'm feeling inside. My heart is tired to be me and not me at the same time. I can't take this anymore. I'm sending an SOS. I'm calling.
Satria nitavaka sary tavy malitava sy tsembotava ary niany anatiko any mangavaka ny voliko mbola miravitra ny volombava tsy mbola niaratra raha sendra ny fanetra tamin'ny fitaratra fo marainandro favaratra dia iny fo niantsoantso mafy fa nany saiko sa tsy nety kopy ho iza marina ary no atsoko mavita manenjana ny usatenda dia velona hatramin'ny lalan-drano orma ranotodika nakakopy nambozaka rano mangodraka nandraraka ronono sy kaoatra tampoka teo ohatry ny aty tampoka foana ka nanontany tena hoe maninona manatinaka tiakaiky ilay tsy misy fiafarana to mitiky zany fa ifarana eo amin'ny fahafanana mitatasiky azany hevitra amin'ny efatra tafaverina eto ambony latabatra ihany nefa tsy goboko zany lezy nofo lavo na nofo lavo fa lasa lavitra loatra ny azo dia very mbolotro miovitrovitra ny saina mihevitra hoe nitondro sotra fo fety tsara lalina loatra zay jerena efa mira tsy misy tomika fa ny foky any eto ny drovitra